Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Cutout to integrate text into photo in Adobe Express. This technique allows you to create professional-looking designs where your text appears to blend seamlessly with your images, perfect for social media posts, posters, or any creative project where you want text and imagery to work together harmoniously. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your creative tools are waiting. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to work with dimensions that suit your specific project needs. Once you've set your preferences, click Create New File to open up your blank canvas. With your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find various tools. Click on Upload to bring in the image you want to work with. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Select the image you want to upload and click Open. The image will then be imported into your workspace, and you might need to give it a moment to fully load depending on the file size. Once your image appears on the canvas, take a moment to resize it so it fits your design perfectly. You can do this by dragging the corners of the image or adjusting it to ensure it's positioned exactly how you want it. Now it's time to add text to your design. In the left panel, click on Text, and then select Add Your Text in the upper left panel. This will place a text box on your canvas that you can start customizing. Before typing anything, you might want to choose a font that matches your creative vision. Navigate to Recommended Fonts, and right beside it, you'll see View All. Click that to explore the full library of available fonts. Then select your preferred text font from the options. With your font selected, go ahead and rename the text to whatever message you want to convey. This is where your design starts taking shape with your personalized content. Next, let's customize the color of your text. In the left panel, click on Text Color Picker, and from the palette that appears, select your preferred color. If you want to add an outline to make your text stand out even more, click Outline Color Picker and choose your preferred outline color. This layering of colors can really help your text pop against the background image. To fine-tune the visibility of your text, navigate to Opacity. Here you'll find a slider that you can use from right to left to adjust how transparent or solid your text appears. This is particularly useful when you want your text to blend naturally with the underlying image. Alternatively, if you're looking for something more creative and don't want to start from scratch, click the Text button in the left panel again. Scroll down through the options and you'll discover pre-made text designs that Adobe Express offers. These templates can save you time and provide professional-looking results instantly. Select the pre-made text that catches your eye, click on it, and rename it with your own message. Just like before, you can customize this pre-made text by navigating to the left panel and clicking the Text Color Picker to select your preferred color. If you want to change the outline text color, click Outline Color Picker and choose your preferred outline color to match your design aesthetic. Again, navigate to Opacity and click it, then use the slider from right to left to adjust the transparency of your pre-made text until it looks just right. If you find that your text needs to be bigger or smaller, navigate to the left panel where you'll find size adjustment options. Use the minus and plus buttons to adjust the size incrementally, or drag the size slider left to decrease or right to increase text size. This gives you precise control over how prominent your text appears in relation to your image. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated text into your photo using Adobe Express, creating a cohesive and eye-catching design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.